Hi everyone and welcome to episode number 13. Today is a special day. Can you guess what it is today? Well, if you guessed Boys Day or Children's Day, you are correct. So today what we're going to be doing is I'm going to be teaching you just a little bit about the history on Boys Day, and then also I'll be teaching you how to make an origami samurai helmet. So come on, learn with me. Kodomo Know He, Children's Day, May 5th. For centuries, Japan celebrated Boys' Day on the fifth day of the fifth month. In 1954, the festival became known as Kodomo no He, a national holiday celebrating the healthy growth of all children, both boys and girls. Families with a son fly fish-shaped windsocks outside their homes on a long pole. The windsocks, called koi nobori, represents carp swimming upstream. Parents hope their son will overcome obstacles as they grow up and become men. Families with sons set up displays of samurai helmets and other warlike materials. How to make an origami samurai helmet. All you need for this project is a paper. I used a 7-inch by 7-inch paper. The bigger the paper, the bigger your samurai helmet will be. Next, you're going to fold the right bottom corner to the left top corner. It will fold into a triangle. You're going to unfold your triangle, and now you're going to match the opposite side. So the left bottom corner will fold up to the right top corner to make a triangle. Now you're going to fold the bottom right corner to that middle line, and then it's going to look like half a triangle. Now you're going to fold the left bottom corner all the way to the middle line too, and it's going to be another triangle. Now you made a diamond, and what we're going to do is we're going to start on the left side, and we're going to bring that top left side all the way down, like folding it in half. And then what you're going to do is you're going to do the same thing with the other side. So the top right is going to go all the way down to the bottom, and you're going to fold it in half. So now if you notice on the bottom, you have these two triangles that kind of flap. And then what we're going to just do is we're going to just turn it so that it's facing up and the two flaps are on the top. The next step can be a little tricky. So what you're going to do is let's start on the left side, and you're going to fold the paper just slightly to make a small triangle. You're going to do the same thing to the right side and make a small triangle. Let's start with the left side again. And what you're going to do is with that small triangle, you're going to fold it in half and make another smaller triangle. Do the same thing with the right hand side. With that small little triangle, you're going to fold it in half again. This is what it should look like. Let's start with the left side again. Unfold that small tiny triangle, pinch the paper together, and hold your fingers on the bottom left side of the triangle. At the top, you're going to open it up and you're going to push the paper down on the folded lines that you made with the small tiny triangles. You're going to do the same step with the right side. You're going to unfold the paper, and then you're going to pinch the paper together on the bottom right side, and then open the top part up and fold the paper back on the folded line. This is what it will look like after doing both sides. I'm going to take the bottom triangle and we are going to fold it about 3/4 of the way up. Right where my finger is, we're going to fold the rest of that paper up to the middle line. It will look like this after you fold the paper. Flip the paper over to the back side, and what you're going to do is you're going to fold that triangle all the way up to the top. So it looks like one triangle now. Okay, fold the paper back down, and what you're going to do is you're going to use the tip of the bottom and you're going to fold it up to that middle line that you made. With the bottom edge, you're going to fold that part up to the middle line. And with that bottom line, you're going to fold it up one more time, and this is what it will look like. I'm going to start with my left side again, and at that left tip, we're going to just fold it up. Do the same thing to the right side and fold that tip up. Now that you folded both sides, you're going to unfold them, and then you're going to open the bottom. Let's start with the left side again. And what you're going to do is you're going to fold back the tip on the line that you made. Do the same thing on the right side. You're going to fold back the tip on the line that you made. Congratulations, you made an origami samurai helmet. Remember, if you want to make a bigger helmet All you need to do is use a bigger paper.
Happy Boys Day. What is that in my hat?
It's a samurai hat.
Bye.
Bye!